this is the incidents from Srimad Bhagavatam about two twins. So these two twins, Manigriva and Nalakuvara, these two twins were sons of Kuber. He is the treasurer of the demigods. You can imagine, he's a very rich man. So it's also said that this Kubera is so rich that when Lord Narayana came to marry Padmavati in Tirupati, this Kubera gave a lot of money for marriage. It's also the Lord's Leela, everything belongs to him. But he makes some pastimes, some Leelas, and he gave that money. That means you can imagine how rich person is he, the treasurer of the demigods. But the devotees don't care for the material money. So this Kubera sons, they're very proud. Because you see how rich man's children, sometimes they get spoiled because of so much of power and money. Because if you have money and power, what you try to do is, you want to exploit your life by intoxication, by drinking, by gambling, or by illicit activities with women. So they were doing all these things, although they belong to higher planets, they belong to demigods, they are Devata's children, he was Kubera's children. So, but still they were actually behaving like that, and they were not wearing any dress, and they were sitting in a pond and enjoying alcohol, the higher planet alcohol, of course not cheap liquor of this world. They used to enjoy the higher alcohol in that planets. Maybe that alcohol will not give liver problems. So in moon planet also, it is said that they can stay for 10,000 years, and a special some drink is available, intoxicant, it's called Somarasa. So like that in the higher planets also intoxicants are there. So until you go back to God, the real God, Narayana, when you get liberation, even if you go to the higher planets, to the loka of Indraloka, Chandraloka, there also you have entanglement of opposite sex enjoyment. Then you are having, there is a planet, there is a gardens of the demigods. I have heard it's called Nandan Kanan. Like in Odisha also we have Nandan Kanan, a sanctuary, but it is not a sanctuary. There is a heavenly planet also, there is one Nandan Kanan where there is a heavenly gardens and lot of beautiful damsels are there, and people with great punya, pious activities, they go there. So the Devatas who are in the higher planets, they are just reaping out the results of their previous life. But if they misuse their good pious activities, Shine Punye, after that their punya is over, they have to again Martyalokam, they have to come back to the Martyaloka, is this material world, this earthly planet. So like this Kuvera's two sons, Nalakuvara and Manigriva, so they were actually enjoying with women, and they were not having any dress on the body, they were naked. And Narada Muni was passing by. So when Narada Muni is passing by, these damsels who were not wearing dress with these men who are enjoying, so they became very cautious and they started wearing their dress and moving and running. But these two twin brothers, they were so much intoxicant and also proud about their body, so they didn't care. They said they were enjoying their body. So when Narada Muni passed, he actually cursed them that you don't fit to be the Devata's children. You go and take birth as trees in the earthly planet. But if you see, actually even if great sages curse, their curse actually becomes good for those people. So these two twin brothers, they took birth as trees in next to Krishna's house in Gokul Vrindavan. And Krishna knew This curse was given by his great devotee sage Narada. So when his mother tied him up, so that is called Damodara Leela. During Kartika month, we have a special event called as Damodara Mass, where we celebrate, where the Lord was tied to the mortar with that pot, where he was tied with his rope, and Mother Yashoda could not tie him, but finally his Dama, means rope, Udara is his stomach, and he was tied. That was tying also came because of the love. He cannot be tied. The whole universes are in him, and he is also outside the universe. That is his Leela. But he went dragging that big stone and pulled it, and the two trees he dropped it, and he gave liberation. So that is a Leela. We know about that. It's very famous Leela.